Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me and more in association with Ma tutorial. Today we are going to conclude with O, 50 words of advanced. Henceforth, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. To obfuscate, uljhana, aspasht karna. The politician tried to obfuscate the issue with complex jargon. Obliquity, tirchapan, kapat. The obliquity of his answer made everyone suspicious. Obnubulate, dhundla karna, aspasht karna. The fog obnubulated the view of the mountains. Obsequious, chaplus, dasvat. His obsequious behavior annoyed his colleagues. Obstreperous, shorgulpurn, uddand. The obstreperous crowd disrupted the event. Upthand, kanthit karna, tivrata kam karna. The medicine upthanded his pain quickly. Occiput, सिर का पिछला भाग. He hit his occiput on the table when he fell. Occlusion, रुकावट, अवरोध. The doctor detected an occlusion in the artery. Ocellus, सरल नेत्र, अंडाकार आंख. The butterfly's wings had beautiful ocelli. Ocarus, पीताभ रंग का गेरुआ. The artist used an ocarus shade in the painting. Octogenarian, 80 वर्षीय व्यक्ति. The octogenarian still enjoys morning walks. Oligopoly, अल्पाधिकार. Telecommunications industry often operates as an oligopoly. Odious, घृणित, जघन्य. His odious remarks offended the audience. Oeuvre, कृति, संपूर्ण रचनाएं. The director's oeuvre includes several award-winning films. Oligarchy, कुलीन तंत्र, अल्पतंत्र. The country was ruled by an oligarchy of business elites. Omnipotent, sarvashaktiman. In mythology, gods are often depicted as omnipotent beings. Omphalos, Kendra Bindu. The ancient Greeks considered Delphi as the Omphalos of the world. Oneric, Swapna Sambandhi, Swapnil. The film had an oneric quality that fascinated the audience. Olfactory, Ghan Sambandhi. Sungne ki shakti se juda. Dogs have a highly developed olfactory sense. Opprobrium, Badnami Ninda. The politicians faced public opprobrium after the scandal. Opuscule, Laghu Rachna, Choti Kriti. The author's early opuscules were well received. Orectic, Ichha Shakti se sambandhit. His orectic nature drove him to succeed. Oracular, Bhavishyavani Sambandhi, Good. His oracular statements intrigued the audience. Ordnance, Topkhana, Sainya Samagri. The army received new ordnance supplies. Oriflamme, Dhwaj, Yuddha Dhwaj. The oriflamme of their cause inspired many. Ornithology, Pakshi Vigyan, she pursued ornithology as a career. Orogeny, Parvat Nirmana Prakriya, the Himalayas were formed through orogeny. Oscillography, Dolan Lekhak, the scientists use an oscillograph to measure the signals. Oscillograph. Omniscient, Sarvagya Sarvagyani. Many believe that God is omniscient or omniscient. Osmosis, Parasarana, Avshoshan. He learned the language through osmosis. Ostentation, Dikhava, Adambar. His ostentation of wealth made him unpopular. Ostensible, Pratyaksh, Dikhavati. His ostensible reason for leaving was a family emergency. Austerity, Dwarpal, Darban. The austerity ensured that only authorized people entered the church. OTOs, Nishkriya, Vyarth. His OTOs' efforts did not yield any results. Oubliette, Bhumigat Karavas. The prisoner was thrown into an oubliette, never to be seen again. Oviparous, Andaj, Anda dene wala. Birds and reptiles are oviparous animals. Opacity, apar, darshita, aspashtata. The opacity of the fog made driving dangerous. Ovoid, andakar vastu. The sculpture had an ovoid design. Octahedral, asht phalkiye, aat pakshiye. The crystal had a perfect octahedral shape. Oxymal, shahad or sirke ka mishran. Ancient physicians recommended oxymal for sore throats. Ombudsman, Lokpal, Jan Sanrakshak. The ombudsman handled citizens' complaints against the administration. Oh yes, dhyan dein, suniye. The court crier shouted, oh yes, to call for attention. Ozone, the ozone layer is essential for protecting life on Earth. Objuration, Katorta, Hirdayhinta. His objuration in negotiations led to failure. Objurgate, Dantna, Kadi Alochana Karna. The teacher objurgated the students from misbehaving. Obliqueness, Tirchapan, Aspashtata. The obliqueness of his answer made people doubt him. Obliviscence, Vismriti ki pravritti. With time, the trauma faded into obliviscence. Obnoxious, Apriya, Asahaniya. His obnoxious behavior made him unpopular. Obriptician, obreptitious, छल पूर्वक गुप्त रूप से प्राप्त, he made obreptitious gains from illegal deals. Obtestation, प्रार्थना, अनुरोध, his obtestation for justice moved the crowd. And that's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.